Hello, future CAs. Are you feeling the pressure of your CA foundation exams? Don't worry, because I am here with the Power Pack 2.5-day revision plan for accounting. This will help you make the most of your time and ace this subject with confidence. So, this plan is designed to keep you focused, efficient, and stress free. So, I request you all to grab your notebooks and pen. In this plan, we'll see the ultimate revision strategy for January 10th, January 11th, and 12th January morning. So let's start the video. But before we go ahead, if you are new to my channel, I request you all to subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. So in this study plan, you will be starting with the basic concepts and then you will follow with the other chapters based on the section wise weightages. So first you will be revising this chapter, theoretical framework. So in this study plan, we will see as to how you will utilize your time effectively to revise the accounting subject on 10th January, 11th January and on first half of the 12th January. So starting with 10th January, as mentioned earlier, first you will revise the first chapter. So as we go ahead in this video, I request you all to pause the video at relevant places and note down the study plan. So on 10th January, you will begin your revision with chapter 1 theoretical framework. First you will revise unit 1 meaning and scope of accounting. And the time for this will be 6 am to 7:30 am. Next you will revise unit 2 accounting concepts, principles and conventions. The timing for this will be 7:30 am to 9 am. Then you will revise unit 3 capital and revenue expenditures and receipts. The time for this is 9 am to 10 am. Next you will revise unit 4 contingent assets and contingent liabilities. The time allocated to revise this chapter is 10 am to 10:30 am. So by revising here I mean is you will be going through the study material, or if any notes, if you have prepared any notes you can study that, and you will also be going through the previous year question papers as well. For mock test paper and revision test paper we have separate slots which I will tell later on. Next you will revise unit 5 accounting policies. The timing for this is 10:30 am to 11:30 am. And then you have unit 6 accounting as a measurement discipline, valuation principles and accounting estimates. The time assigned for this is 11:30 am to 12 pm. And then you have unit 7 accounting standards, 12 pm to 1 pm. So these basically cover your basic concepts. Now let's go to the syllabus again and see next which chapter we have to study. So next we will be beginning with the chapters with the highest weightage. Chapter 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the chapters with highest weightage. 30% to 35% weightage has been allocated to these chapters. So first you will be revising these chapters. So here I have filtered out for chapter number 2. So here you will revise first unit 1 basic accounting procedures and journal entry. The timing allocated for this is 1 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Next you have unit 2 ledgers. The time allocated to revise this chapter is 2:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Next unit 3 trial balance. The time to revise this will be from 5:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. Then you have unit 4 subsidiary books. From 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. you will be revising this chapter. Next you have unit 5 cash book. You will revise this from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. And then you have unit 6 rectification of errors. You will revise this from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. So this completes the revision of your second chapter as well. I hope you all have noted down the plan till here. The reason for making this video early is so that you can note down the study plan now itself, and later on when exams are nearing you need not waste time. Directly you can start studying. Now let's go ahead with the plan. So next you will revise chapter number 3, that is bank reconciliation statement. The time allotted to this is 10 p.m. to 12 a.m. So this brings us to the end of the 10th January revision. Next we'll see what we'll revise on 11th January. So 11th January you will start with the revision of chapter number 4 inventories. And the time allotted for this is 6 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. So on exam days also it is very important to sleep at least 5 to 6 hours. Because if you sleep well then your mind will be fresh, and sometimes in the exam the questions will be tricky. So if you go there with a fresh mind you will be able to answer those questions well. Otherwise you might feel sleepy in the exam. So once it happened with me that one of the exams in my college, I did not sleep well. I had studied the whole night. And the next day when I was writing the exam, I was feeling very drowsy and I couldn't concentrate on the exam well. So this was a college exam. So after that exam, like whenever there was any exam, I used to ensure that I at least sleep 5-6 hours and go. So have you guys ever faced this situation? Do let me know in the comments below. So next moving ahead with the plan, here you will revise. Next you will revise chapter 5 depreciation and amortization. And the time allocated for this is 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. And next you will revise chapter 6 bills of exchange and promissory notes. And the timing allocated to revise this is 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. So now you would have covered revising those chapters with the highest weightage. Next we'll see as to which chapter you have to revise. So once you finish revising these chapters, you can see next the chapters with highest weightage are chapter number 7, 8 and 9. So next you will concentrate on revising those chapters. So chapter number 7, preparation of final accounts of sole proprietors. So here you have two units. Unit 1, final accounts of non-manufacturing entities. You will revise this from 10:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. And then you have Unit 2, final accounts of manufacturing entities. This you will revise from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. For this chapter, that is final accounts of sole proprietors, ensure you study the annexure as well. So basically there are some annexures in which they have given the format in which you should be preparing these accounts. So I request you all to go through those as well. Next, chapter number 8, financial statements of non-profit organization. So this you will revise from 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. And then you will be revising chapter number 9, accounts from incomplete records. This you will revise from 3:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. So I hope you all are with me and you are noting down the study plan. If you are finding this study plan useful, request you all to subscribe to my channel before we go ahead. So now coming back to the syllabus again. Now you can see here the next chapters with the highest weightage is your company accounts. This carries 15% to 25% of weightage. So next we will concentrate on this chapter. So this chapter has 6 units. So unit 1, introduction to company accounts. You will revise this from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Then you have unit 2, issue, forfeiture and reissue of shares. These you will revise from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. And then you have unit 3, issue of debentures. This you will be revising from 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. And then you have unit 4, accounting for bonus issue and right issue. You will revise this from 9:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. Then you have redemption of preference shares. You will revise this from 11 p.m. to 12 a.m. So this brings us to the end of the revision for 11th January. Unit 6, redemption of debentures. This you will revise on 12th January morning 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. So after finishing this chapter, we'll be left with only one chapter, that is chapter number 10, partnership and LLP account. The weightage allocated for this chapter is 15% to 20%. So here I have filtered out for chapter number 10. In this also we have 6 units. So this you will be revising on 12th January morning. So unit 1, introduction to partnership accounts, and unit 2, treatment of goodwill in partnership account. This you will revise from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Then unit 3, admission of new partner, and unit 4, retirement of a partner. This you will revise from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Then unit 5, death of a partner, and unit 6, dissolution of partnership firms and LLP. This you will revise from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. So now you would have finished revising all the chapters. Then from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. here you will revise the revision test papers and mock test papers. Sometimes similar questions come from revision test paper and mock test paper. That's why we'll be revising this in the end just before you are leaving for the exam. And other than this, if you have prepared any notes, like if you have prepared a note of any important formulas or important concepts or important formats, you can go through those as well. And that's your 2.5-day revision plan for CA Foundation Accounting. Stick to this schedule and stay disciplined. And remember, consistency is the key to success. Use your time wisely, focus on understanding concepts, and also go through all the important practical questions. Believe in yourself, stay calm. If you found this plan helpful, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe for more exam tips and strategies. All the best for your exams, and I will see you all in the next video.